Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Stephanie Rivera. I am a licensed life insurance agent and agency builders. I help families protect their income, build wealth, and create legacy so they never have to depend on the system alone. And today we're going to be talking about something powerful. We're going to be talking about infinite banking. We're talking about how you can become your own bank. Whether you realize it or not, you're already banking. The question is, are you banking for yourself or are you banking for someone else? Every time you finance a car, every time you use a credit card, every time you take out a loan, you are paying interest. You are making someone else richer. Today, I'm going to show you how you can flip that. How to keep money in your control, how to build wealth while you live, how to access your money when you need it, and how to create long term financial security for your family. This is financial education. Most people would never thought. So, stay with me till the end, and I hope you enjoy the video. Infinite banking is a strategy that allows you to become your own source of financing using a properly structured whole life insurance policy. Now, let's break it down in simple terms. Instead of going to the bank when you need money, you go to yourself. You borrow from your own policy, your money continues to grow, and you pay yourself back. Not the bank, yourself. Now, this concept was created by Nelson Nash, and wealthy families have been using this strategy for generations. But most middle class families were never taught this. Why? Because traditional systems profit when you stay dependent on banks. Now, let's talk about the reality. Most people finance their cars, use credit card, take personal loans out, take student loans, or even take mortgages. And every single time, they pay interest. Thousands, sometimes even hundreds of thousands. Let's use an example. Let's say you finance a $30,000 car. You may pay anywhere from $7,000 to $10,000 in interest over time. That money is gone forever. You don't get it back. Now think about this. Over your lifetime, you might finance multiple cars, homes, emergencies, business expenses. You could easily pay $100,000 to $300,000 in interest over your lifetime. Now, that's wealth transfer from you to the bank. Infinite banking stops that leak, and here's how it works. You open a properly structured whole life insurance policy designed for cash value growth. You contribute money into the policy. That money builds cash value. That cash value grows over time. Now, here's the key part. You can borrow against your cash value anytime for anything. No approval required, no credit check, no restrictions. You're using your own money. Now, let's say you need $10,000. Instead of going to a bank, you borrow from your own policy. Your money is still growing inside the policy and you repay yourself back over time. You stay in control. Banks use life insurance all the time. Major corporations use life insurance all the time. Wealthy families use life insurance all the time because they understand one thing: control. They don't keep their money sitting in regular savings account losing value to inflation. They store their money where it grows safely and when they can access it anytime. They use it to buy real estate, start business, invest, or cover other emergencies without interrupting their wealth growth. They never lose control of their money. Now, let's put it into a real life example. Let's say you save $500 per month. That's $6,000 per year. Over time, your policy builds cash value. Now your car breaks down. You need $8,000. Most people would use a credit card or take out a loan or go into debt. But with infinite banking, you borrow from your policy, fix your car, and repay yourself back. You your money keeps working for you. You don't lose control. You don't depend on the bank. You are the bank. Here's the biggest benefit though. Well, benefit number one is control. You have full control of your money, not the bank. Benefit number two is liquidity. You can access your money anytime. Benefit number three is growth. Your money grows safely and consistently. Benefit number four is protection. This is still life insurance. Your family is still protected. And benefit number five is legacy. This creates generational wealth. Your kids can benefit from this. This becomes a financial asset for your family. You're breaking generational curses. Time is your biggest advantage though. The earlier you start, the more money grows. The longer your money works for you. Most people wait when it's too long. They spend money on things that lose value, such as cars, clothes, material things. But infinite banking builds something permanent, something that grows with you, something that your family can benefit from. The truth is, you will use banks your entire life. The question is, will you keep making banks rich or will you become your own bank? This strategy gives you control, protection, and growth. And legacy. If you want to learn about how to set up your own infinite banking policy and start building your own financial foundation, text me webinar to 929-519-2663 to learn more. I'll show you exactly how it works and how families are using this strategy to build real wealth. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with somebody who needs this information. Because financial education changes lives and legacy starts with one decision. I'll see you in the next video.